Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Today's topic is incompetence suspected, so let's get right into it. So each of us has an obligation to file tax returns on our income, including those people who may not be mentally competent to do so. And a significant and growing issue that I'm noticing more and more frequently is among the age group that's a little older than I am, is decreasing memory issues. It may be Alzheimer's, but it's often not diagnosed as Alzheimer's, but some type of cognitive impairment that affects focus and memory and ability to perform tasks like keep your records, gather your records, um, fill out a tax return, or even recognize that you do have to fill out a tax return. So this episode today is prompted by a new prospective client who does appear to need help, but also, unfortunately, appears to be, to me, perhaps not fully competent. So the CPA must be very, very careful. We find more and more cases where an individual has not been legally declared incompetent. There's no court-ordered guardianship. However, it would be foolish to proceed with a business relationship without taking extraordinary precautions. And in this case, I asked to speak with the woman's executrix. Apparently has no close relatives in the U.S., so I'm going to attempt to establish communication and working relationship with the closest living relative who's outside the country, and depending on how that goes, may or may not move forward with helping this person resolve both tax problems and apparently other just basic financial management issues. But a lot of us are going to need that at some point, and I hope there's enough good, trustworthy people around to help do that when it's needed, because it certainly can be a sensitive and delicate area. All right, that's all I have. I'd love to hear your thoughts or comments or experiences in dealing with that. It seems like more and more of us are facing that every day. So we'd love to hear some feedback, or would love to chat one-on-one. I'm easy to reach at taxproblems.cpa.